Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Batesville, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers helps you move across the city, within the same state, or even inside the same city. In the eyes of the federal and municipal authorities that monitor the relocation process, we have a sterling reputation. It was important to us that our insurance plans protect our clients from financial loss before, during, and after the transfer. You can rest assured that your belongings will arrive on time and in good condition thanks to our team of movers and drivers. Every service we offer is sensibly priced, so you don't have to worry about overcharging. Long-distance migration is more expensive than locally moving, and our local movers cost between $30 and $40 an hour, making us the most reasonable option. You may rest assured that our movers are fully licensed and committed to giving you the best value for your money. As a result of our extensive experience working in congested areas, we can move your items with ease. In addition, our local movers can assist you with the relocation procedure. By contacting prior customers, you can learn more about the services we offer and our performance. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Batesville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.